it's got that round to that time of year again. David's busy cleaning all the muck and grit from the cat off his engine. It's been fun, Dave.
Cats.
Pardon?
Yeah, cats.
Leave my little puppy cat alone.
It's just awkward getting into trellises.
This is only the second time that you've cleaned the engine in 4 years.
Yeah.
So that's not bad.
Yeah, I've left this a bit long actually.
Right, and because we've got lots of little bits that the brush and the vacuum can't get into, David's now getting in with a lollipop stick and some blue tack to help get all the bits out. Peppy came in and luckily Dave stopped him from falling down the hole that is now in the middle of the boat. And he keeps telling me that cat is not blind.
It's low tide. We're down on Middleton Beach in Hartlepool. I think Janet's going to go scavenging this area. It's between the entrance over there to the Hull Marina. It's a big expanse, a little bit covered in coal dust occasionally, and it gets totally covered and washed at high tide, so it's only available at low tides. Looks like somebody's out there digging for bait. Here where Janet's standing now is very heavily infested with coal dust. This just keeps getting swept up. Some of it is from sea coal, because there are seams out to sea, and when the waves pound, it comes washed ashore. Yeah, it's quite heavy and quite thick. This bit of the beach is devoid of coal. It's nice, clean sand. So we're down at Seal Sands, Greetham Creek. It's quite a cold day today. About 16 seals we've been watching. They seem to have quietened off now. So this is a Surflow 4K action camera, just got mounted at the back, and that is Wi-Fi'd up to an old phone I have. It's got a cracked screen as the phone, but that doesn't matter. So we've just got that on Wi-Fi. That gives me a rear view. And we've had the first snow of the winter, just a slight covering. It's cold this morning, -1 out there. The sun's not up yet. In fact, it's probably colder than -1 by the feel of it. The sun is just starting to make its way up.